everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be unboxing my brand new iPhone Apple Watch Series 9. This is the 45mm. We're gonna get more information because I ordered this literally a couple of days ago and I am not sure what I ordered. As you notice, ordering online sometimes from Apple is extremely exhausting because everybody's ordering at the same time as you. And this configuration wasn't my ideal configuration, but again, we're getting here the watch. So I'm gonna be unboxing this with you. As you see, I haven't even seen this product yet. And I'm coming from the Apple Watch 8, so I don't think I'm gonna be super impressed, but I'm still gonna be impressed. Everything from Apple gets that feeling of like, wow, I'm getting something new. So I like how it's bought. So if you are scared that this is gonna be damaged in transit, very hard, very hard to get damaged in transit. Let's get rid of this big box. It's actually quite heavy. This is the Apple Watch Series 9 45mm Starling AI Star, and I got a band that is small. So let's open this. It comes in two parts. This is the actual watch and this is the band. Very beautiful. Let's look at the watch first and then we will look at the band. Voila! Very pretty. Information. Oh, nice cable. I like it. This is quite different. It's braided, so it's not the same cable as the one before. The one before was more like the normal cable that it's been coming for like few years. They actually made a different design this year. Very pretty, actually. I really like it. Here we have a Type-C type of charger. We have some document here. I never pay attention to this little guy, but here is the actual watch. Ooh, 45mm. It's very similar to what I have right now. I'm gonna show you the 7. I have the 8 with me right now. It's pretty much the same thing. Nobody's gonna notice the differences when they see my new watch, but I'm happy with it. I'm okay with being the same watch, basically. Okay, so let's add the band that I got with the actual watch in the box, which is this beige kind of color one. Why I never capable open these things, I don't know. It's kind of like hard for me to open this. Look, yeah, I'm already ripping this thing apart. This is the same type of band that I'm using right now, but this is beige. I'm just supposed to slide it. There we go. I'm using the band as small. Let's start this watch right now. Don't tell me it's no charge. It doesn't seem like it's charged. I think I have to charge this now. Wow, that's great. We have to charge this. So I'm gonna be charging it and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so let's pair this new Apple Watch with my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see how you pair this. Here we go. Continue. And it's pairing. Super fast, super easy. Okay. Set up for myself, set up family members, set up for myself. Hold the Apple Watch up to the camera, align with the viewfinder above. Okay, so now we're gonna say continue, is pairing. And we're gonna have to agree to this. That's normal. That's the classic. I agree with everything that you guys said, even though we don't agree. I just created a password and now it's going through the safety stuff with the phone. Now that I finished pairing the watch, let's put my iPhone on the side and let's continue looking at this beauty right here. The band is exactly the same one that I have for the watch number 8, which is here right now. They are literally identical. I don't see any difference. The only difference that I see is one is old and one is new. Besides that, Everything looks the same to me, to be honest. I don't notice much differences. The side is the same. The other side is the same. The only thing is going to be the gesture that we can do to answer close calls and things like that. That's gonna be basically the main difference. And I think the battery is gonna last a little longer. As you see, I have the same band right now. So this is a 45, this one is a 45 too. So I can use these bands alternative. And I also got another band this morning that I went to the Apple store, which I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's a pretty cool one actually. It's very similar, but it's more sporty. Let's open this one up. I found out I'm terrible at opening these things. But it's super tight though, it's not my fault. The light is changing a lot. It's actually looking very cool right now because I'm doing it with the natural light. I normally use more like a studio lights, but today I decided we do this video with natural lights, and that's why it's looking different. But this is very, very pretty. It's the same type of lock system, but this one is super, super sporty. I found it super gorgeous. I actually really, really liked it, and that's why I got it. So I'm actually having these two for this watch, brand new watch. I have this old one. I'm gonna be selling this Apple Watch A series on my Mercury. So if you are interested, I'm gonna be leaving the link down below. And this is how my new watch looks like. It's very, very pretty. I really, really like it. Super, super cute. Identical basically to my old one. I'm gonna be changing the face, making it look more pretty and cute. But that's it. This is the new Apple Watch Series 9 45mm. So let me show you the other band. I'm gonna be removing this one and showing to you with the other band, the one that it has more colors. Just because sometimes people ask me, hey, you didn't show us with the other band. And yeah, you're right. I shouldn't have showed you with all the bands that I have available at the moment. Again, I'm gonna be leaving all the links down below. This is how it looks with this band. Let's see how it looks in my hand. This is how it looks. I like both of them. This is obviously a solid color. This is more playful, more like let's have fun today. Super, super cute. I like all of them though. And I'm probably gonna be getting two more, but this is pretty cute. I liked it. So I added a new face. This owl is so pretty. I really like it. So I added a new face. I finished all the setups for this watch and I'm ready to use it. I am very excited to start my tapping, which is mainly one of the most cool things and new things about this new watch. And that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.